Welcome. Today I will be showing you the presentation made by Iyahnna, Miguel, and Alyssa, showing you the IE Energy Savings Kit made by the Energy Resources Center. What is the Energy Savings Kit? The Energy Savings Kits are meant to help people save money on their utility bills. Included in the Energy Savings Kits are light bulbs, an advanced power strip, a shower head, and much more. The items are energy efficient. They will help you save money. The light bulbs included in the kit are LED, and the advanced power strip powers things on whenever you need them, and the same goes with the rest of the items in the IED kits. Benefits of the IE kit is it helps lower your utility bills and cuts down the amount of carbon dioxide, which can help create healthier communities. You may be wondering how you could get these free IE kits. Well, there are two ways. You can either go to specific locations and sign up there and receive them, or you can visit ComEd.com, the ComEd website, and they will mail you them for free as long as you sign up. If you have any questions, please contact Claudia or Omar for more information.